you, what is it that sustains you? What would you say? Let me phrase it a little bit differently. What if I were to ask you to give me a reason for the hope that you have? Would that change your answer? Would that make it a little bit easier or maybe a little bit more difficult? In Peter's first letter to the early church, he addresses the people of God and he encourages them, saying to regard the Lord as holy. He goes on to say that they should always be prepared to give an answer for the hope that they have, to always be able to give an account. So you were to tell me that food or water, your friendships, communities, your studies, that those things sustain you, those are all great answers, but each of those things are dependent on something else. So when you think about what is it that truly sustains you, you need to think about what is it that can stand alone? What is it that isn't dependent on anything else? So let's go back to my original question. What is it that sustains you? Do you have an answer yet?